Hi kids, today we're reading The Moon. It has 3 chapters. Chapter 1, What is the Moon? Chapter 2, The Moon and the Earth. And Chapter 3, To the Moon. Chapter 1, What is the Moon? Some stories say the moon is a smiling face. Others say it is made of green cheese. But what is the moon really? Keep reading to find out. The moon is a satellite. Satellites travel around planets. The moon circles our planet, the Earth. It takes about 27 days for the moon to go around the Earth one time. The Earth is about 4 times bigger than the moon. The moon is round and hard. It is a lovely, silent place. Days are broiling hot and nights are freezing cold. These are moon craters. These are moon rocks. The moon is covered with deep holes called craters. It has huge rocks. It even has mountains. Chapter 2, The Moon and the Earth. The moon is the Earth's closest neighbor in the sky. That is why the moon looks so big in the night sky. The moon's gravity pulls our oceans, causing water to rise and fall. The moon can seem very bright, but it does not make its own light. What you see is the sun's light shining on the moon. So here we have the different phases of the moon: new moon, crescent moon, quarter moon, and full moon. We see different parts of the moon's sunlit surface as it orbits the Earth. Sometimes we see a crescent moon, sometimes we see a full moon. These shapes are called phases. People protect their eyes with special sunglasses when viewing a solar eclipse. Once in a while, the moon moves directly between the sun and the Earth. This blocks most of the sunlight from reaching the Earth. It is called a solar eclipse. Chapter 3, To the Moon. The moon is the only place in space that people have visited. How did they get there? Rocket ships. This astronaut's backpack is full of air so he can breathe. The first astronaut walked on the moon in 1969. They learned that nothing lives there. There is not even any air. Only 12 people have walked on the moon so far. The astronauts left footprints behind when they visited the moon. The footprints will stay there for thousands of years because the moon has no wind. Kids can go to space camp to learn how to be astronauts. Would you like to go to the moon? Maybe you can train to be an astronaut. Then someday you might be able to leave your footprints there too. The end.